Good morning. Back to the bedroom project, the ceiling. I won't show much, just a bit. I want to finish one side actually and have all the HardiFlex on position. So I do half the ceiling, and now we can shift everything the other side of the room and finish the other side. Something like that. Anyway, I can't get this wardrobe out. But first I need to cut more of those 15-inch long. Hello. No. She wants to throw her glasses to the doggy. My love. Okay, I switch off the light so you can see it, because with the light it's going to be, not very good. So anyway, just to show you that now I need to make up something to hold the lights and ceiling fan if you're going to mount one. So I need to do something a bit special there. So we'll see what we come up with. Okay, once we got the HardiFlex here and screwed in, that's not gonna move after. But at least it will support that just about any weight. Okay, all this side is done. I just wonder if I could put some HardiFlex there and see how things goes. I think I could do this. Okay, as you can see, I put 2 screws, one here, one there. Maybe after lunch we try to fit one HardiFlex board. Let's eat first. Finish my lunch, ate a nap, had a quick coffee, and I was thinking to cut the grass. No, not today. It's raining. Okay, enough for today. And go away. Okay, it's all nice and clean and ready to try to put that ceiling HardiFlex board. Wish me good luck, or wish us good luck. I need somebody to help me.
Egg, only one. Here, mix.
Bella, cooking.
You want 2 eggs? Okay.
Yeah, 2 eggs.
2 eggs.
One more.
One more. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Yay! Okay, mix.
Uh-oh.
Oh, okay, mix.
Okay. Stir.
Okay, mix. Mix.
Yay!
Okay. No.
Yeah.
Already turn around. Nice.
Right.
Eat. Mommy.
Need to slice.
No.
Yum.
Honey, yellow. Yeah.
Okay, yellow.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Yep.
No.
Mino.
Quick. Yum.
You want?
Yummy? Yummy? Everything yummy. Okay. I like it with dark chocolate. It's been raining. I need to clean around the house, but if it's wet, you can't really do that. Anyway, we'll see you in the morning. Okay, good morning. Back to the bedroom project. We're gonna try to put one of those on position. Okay, I've been trying with Jem to put this on, but it's too hard. It's too hard. We couldn't. I had some screw up there on one end so you can rest the board, and then with the drill I would have put a couple of screws on this end. We can't do it. It's too hard, too heavy, too cumbersome. 2 men would have been okay, but I don't have anybody. So we're going to cut in 2 pieces. That's it.
Wishful?
Yeah. Oh my God. We had lunch, a nap. I wake up 4 o'clock. Wow. So just had a little tea break. So lazy. Maybe it's the weather. Didn't want to get up. And Jam's still sleeping. Okay, I'm gonna install this panel here. So what I've done, I got those little clamp, one on each end, and then I got those hand clamp just on position there, and I got my drill and screw ready there to be used. Let's do that. Okay, now that we put those cement board, what happened to the light holder? So I just put one screw here through there, through this, and it's very, very strong now. It's good. So once I get another one there, this is not going to move at all. However, I need to drill a hole for the cable to go through. Yeah. Okay, this is done just about. Now, gotta go this way. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Until the next video, take care. God bless you all. Bye bye.